Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody has this graphic and they want to size it down. If you look, it's 40 by 2. And if we grab it and size it down, the goal line takes over and gets too big. And the bigger you get it, the thinner you get it. So this is probably the only line in the whole picture, or let's say. But if we go and select it all and go to Object and Group and ungroup it all, and then select it all and hit the F12 key on your keyboard, and right here, Scale with Object, and hit OK. I'm going to go ahead and group it back, Control G, and now we're going to make it smaller by quite a bit. And you can see now that your goal line and all the lines, I think the goal line is the only line really in there. The rest of them are fields. So these are probably not lines. We could quite possibly look at it under wire view and see there's a few lines under the tarp or the sails, but they they probably did change. I just didn't notice it. So you could make this any size you wanted. You know, if you look, this is his page, which is pages 17 by 18. But now all your lines are the same size. So it's just a scale with object in anything you do. If you draw a line and make it half an inch, and then you enlarge it, it gets thinner. If you reduce it, it gets thicker. So if you make it, you can either click here or hit F12 on your keyboard and scale with object. And now when you scale it, it will stay in proportionate. It won't be a half-inch line, but it'll be proportionate to the line, the original line. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.